People, processes, and technology are the key element of digital transformation. I'm going to talk today about the people and the future of hiring of the people. We have two key elements, and we are talking about people, the construction talent, engineers around the world. The other side is the companies. So we know that great companies depend on the quality of the people, and the people there are the main asset. The reputation of companies depends on the people. However, construction sectors have the instability demand of the people during project life cycles, and if we look to the bigger picture, we can see even with big organizations, which they have maybe 100 projects around the world, they are affected also with the market situation. When the market booming, then it's crashing, booming, crashing. These make cycles of hiring and firing, and this is great pain and lose for both talents and companies. The solution and the innovation in the hiring process is building an agile workforce that enable company to scale up, scale down with flexibility, with efficiency, and fill any skill gaps, grow the business without the cycles of hire and fire. The secret here, it's the terms of the engagement. So here we are talking about flexibility contracts, short-term contracts that fulfill the business needs. We can see the transformation in the work environment in the construction, starting from engineers need to be on-site or in office. Then the other solution, using consultancy to outsource the assignment or the task, which cannot be done in-house, to the innovative solution, which is cloud source. You imagine you have cloud of, let's say, 100 architects around the world, all capable to work, and you select from them and engage them to the job in short term without having long contracts and hire and fire environment. Some statistics which support the movement toward more agile work environment. 35% of US workforce currently working as a freelancer. I think it's very big numbers. And 40% of global workforce, and here we are talking about talent thinking about to quit their job, maybe to move to another job or to find maybe another way of work, and the freelancing environment. And I think the trend of the great resignation, we all heard about it. Talking to the other side, the companies, 50% of construction executive in the market now, they are saying they have severe shortage of talents. I think one of the reasons could be the crashing in the market, construction market, due to the COVID and the firing of the people. And now when the market start to get well, then they need more talents and they have shortage of talents. The other side, the talents need to move. So it's increased the gap. We all witness the last 2 years, and I think up to date, the new way of work and the hybrid model, working from home, Of course, talent, 70% of talent, not surprised, they like this to be continue, and this is one of the factors they always looking when they are searching for a job. In the future, and this is the expectation, after 8 years from now, it's expected in US that the 35% to become 80%. So it's expected that 80% of workforce to be a freelance, and I think US is a sample, but this is globally. We are talking about millions of freelancers around the world, and the number increased dramatically during the COVID. Lucky that we are at the end of the COVID stage. So how this freelancer work organized? There is platforms economy that organize the work of freelancer. You can imagine that you have clouds of talent, and you go and search, find talent, and hire him directly online with engagement as your job need. So the famous one and the biggest one is Upwork, based in US. The platform has 12 million talents, 5 million clients, and yearly job around $1 billion. And this is it's one of the biggest platforms, but this is one of 100 platforms around the world, and the number of platforms increase as the number of freelancers increase, and the need to organize the relationship between the freelancer and companies is key of success of this work environment. So Upwork, what they do everything. They give opportunity to anybody to register and look to work, build a profile and look to work. So it's not like talking about one specialty, it's general platform. Talking about some special platforms like TopTal, it's for software engineering solution, also US based. The unique about TopTal is that it hires the best quality software engineers. They hire only 3% of the application. So when you go to such platform, there is like quality expected from the platform. There is UpCounsel also for law, based in US. And I'm coming from Constal. Constal is a construction technology platform based in Dubai. It's a marketplace for construction talent, connecting talent with companies. And the idea and the dream of Constal, it started last year, the dream to have a cloud of best construction talent and connect them to best companies in the world. So in Constal, currently we have like 8 disciplines in construction, 25 specialties. And we do like Upwork, we do screening process to guarantee the quality of talents. What's the advantages? And this gives the reason why the freelancing increase and talent want to go and work freelancer. From the company perspective, it gives you a solution with agile contracts. So you can hire talent based on lump sum or hourly rate or salary for short, long period. It's on-demand hiring, it's instant, so you can hire your talent, specialized talent, like from 1 week to 2 weeks, depend on the complexity of the requirement. Comparing with traditional hiring, you know, it takes months sometimes to bring special talent to relocate, and the cost of the mobilization and relocation. So here it's on demand and instant. The third is the quality protection. So when we are talking about platform between the freelancer and companies, the platform guarantees the quality of work. The companies will not pay until they are satisfied with the result. They will pay, of course, to the platform. Platform keep money until the job done with satisfaction of clients, then they release the money. To the talents, there is, I think, unlimited advantages, but I'll talk about few of them. So most important, it's work-life balance. You can live where you like to live, and you can work in any place without any boundaries. So, and it's open opportunities for the talents to work around the world in the specialty he likes, with the clients he wants, and to build his reputation, to build his career. Because all these platforms, they provide KPIs for the talent and rating. So each talent will have his reputation, and this is like success and increase his opportunity to get better job, better rate. Of course, payment protection, which is one of the biggest challenge of freelance work alone with companies. So the platform will guarantee the payment to the talent when deliver the job.